Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. This is breakfast. Breakfast time. This is my pods. Reheat chicken and rice. And also I have fresh orange and sweet dates and tea. This is my breakfast pods. Okay, let's eat, guys. Fresh. Mm, Manamis-namis. Mm, Di masyadong matamis. Nalalasan ko yung asim niya. Katamtaman lang. Mm. Yung kanin namin, may paminta pa, may halo-halo, na gulay, kalabasa, patata. Yan. Beans. Init. Higop mo na. Wow. Ang sarap talaga ng pakiramdam pag uminom ka ng mainit. Talagang maramdaman na ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Excuse for those who eating right now. You feel inside in your stomach very nice, very good. Ah, okay. Set. Mainit-init. Ito, paminta. May paminta siya.